How to delete a power plant settings on Windows computer. Now first come to this place, type in control panel, click on this button. Now go to the power option, click on it. Once you click on the power option, if you have multiple power option or power plan here, you have it like this one. Take a look at it. I have balance, power saver, then I have balance which is recommended, then I have high performance, then but I have multiple one here, that is ultimate performance twice. So I want to remove one from this. Click on this change plan settings. Now take a look at this option that says delete this plan. Click on it, then click on this button that says OK. Now you can see that we've reduced that has been removed from this place. So this process, guys, you've been able to delete power plan option on your PC. That's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more important videos like this. See you guys on my next video.